A beautiful yellow joins the lineup, with incredible battery life, a powerful dual-camera system for pro-level photos and videos, and groundbreaking safety capabilities, including emergency SOS via satellite and crash detection. Apple today announced a new yellow iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, adding even more color choices to the lineup this spring. Beautifully designed and built to last, iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus have a durable ceramic shield front cover, an updated internal design for better sustained performance and easier repairs, and amazing battery life, with iPhone 14 Plus offering the longest battery life of any iPhone ever. Both models include a dual-camera system for stunning photos and videos, the powerful A15 Bionic chip, and innovative safety capabilities including emergency SOS via satellite and crash detection. The new yellow iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus will be available to pre-order this Friday, March 10th. With availability starting Tuesday, March 14th. People love their iPhone and rely on it every day for all that they do, and now there's an exciting addition to the lineup with a new yellow iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, said Bob Borchers, Apple's Vice President of Worldwide Product Marketing. The extraordinary battery life, lightweight design, pro-level camera and video features, groundbreaking safety capabilities like emergency SOS via satellite, and all iOS 16 has to offer make iPhone 14 a great option for anyone in the market for a new iPhone. A beautiful and durable design with amazing battery life. The 6.1-inch iPhone 14 and 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Plus feature a durable aerospace-grade aluminum design that is water and dust resistant, 3 with a ceramic shield front cover that is tougher than any other smartphone glass, protecting iPhone from common spills and accidents. An updated internal design provides better sustained performance, great for heavy workloads and high-powered gaming, while improving ease and affordability of repairs. Both models include a gorgeous Super Retina XDR display with OLED technology that supports 1200 nits of peak HDR brightness, along with support for Dolby Vision. The larger display of iPhone 14 Plus is fantastic for watching content, streaming Apple Fitness Plus workouts, and playing games, while boasting the longest battery life of any iPhone ever. A powerful dual-camera system to capture every moment. With iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, users have an advanced dual-camera system right in their pockets. The system features an impressive new pro-level main camera with a larger sensor for gorgeous photos and videos, as well as an ultra-wide camera to capture unique perspectives. Both iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus include the new front true depth camera that automatically focuses on multiple subjects at different distances for sharper close-ups and beautiful group selfies. And the larger aperture captures brighter color and finer detail in low-light scenes. The iPhone 14 lineup introduced Photonic Engine, improving mid to low-light performance for photos across all cameras compared to the previous generation, up to 2x on the true depth and ultra-wide cameras, and 2.5x on the new main camera. Photonic Engine is able to preserve subtle textures, provide better color, and maintain more information in a photo through a deep integration of hardware and software. Video features like Action Mode and Cinematic Mode are available across the iPhone 14 lineup to help users unleash their creativity. Action Mode enables smooth-looking video that adjusts to significant shakes and motion, even when video is being captured in the middle of the action. Cinematic Mode supports 4K at 30 fps and 4K at 24 fps, enabling a beautiful depth of field effect that automatically changes focus in a simple and intuitive way to capture cinema-style moments. Groundbreaking safety capabilities for peace of mind. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus offer critical safety capabilities that can provide emergency assistance when it matters most. Emergency SOS via satellite allows users to message with emergency services when cellular and Wi-Fi coverage are not available through a combination of custom-designed components and deeply integrated software. Additionally, if users want to reassure friends and family of their whereabouts while off the grid, they can open the Find My app and share their location via satellite. This service, which has already helped users in emergency situations in the US, Canada, France, Germany, Ireland, and the UK, will come to Austria, Belgium, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, and Portugal later this month. Crash detection on the iPhone 14 lineup can detect a severe car crash and automatically dial emergency services if a user is unconscious or unable to reach their iPhone. Apple-designed motion algorithms trained with over 1 million hours of real-world driving and crash record data combine with motion inputs from the new accelerometer and gyroscope, GPS, barometer, and microphone 5 on iPhone to bring this innovative safety feature to life. When paired with Apple Watch, crash detection seamlessly leverages the unique strength of both devices to get users help efficiently. Powered by A15 Bionic with 5-core GPU. A15 Bionic brings powerful, pro-level performance to iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus. The 5-core GPU enables faster speeds for demanding workloads and even smoother graphics for video apps and high-performance gaming. A15 Bionic also powers camera features like Photonic Engine, Action Mode, and Cinematic Mode, all while delivering extraordinary battery life and protecting critical privacy and security features like data encryption using the Secure Enclave. The 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores handles intensive tasks with ease, and the 16-core neural engine is capable of 15.8 trillion operations per second, enabling even faster machine learning computations for features in iOS 16 and third-party app experiences. Featuring iOS 16. iOS 16 features the biggest update ever to the lock screen, with a multi-layered effect that artfully sets subjects of photos in front of the time, widgets that offer information at a glance, and a new wallpaper gallery for inspiration. Focus gets even more powerful with a new way to connect to the lock screen and create focus filters within apps. Live activities help users stay on top of things that are happening in real time, such as a sports game or ride share, right from the lock screen. In Messages, users can edit a message, undo send, and mark conversations as unread. 7 Browsing in Safari gets even safer with passkeys, a next-generation credential that can't be phished or leaked. Live Text adds the ability to interact with text in video, quickly convert currency, and translate text. Users can also tap and hold on the subject of an image to lift it from the background and place it in apps like Messages. iCloud Shared Photo Library offers a new way to seamlessly share photos with up to 6 family members. And with Apple Music Sing, users can sing along to their favorite songs with adjustable vocals and real-time lyrics. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus are designed to minimize their impact on the environment, including antenna lines that use upcycled plastic water bottles that have been chemically transformed into a stronger, higher-performance material. In addition to featuring a re-architected internal design that offers improved repairability, iPhone 14 models also use 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets, including those in MagSafe, and 100% recycled tungsten in the Taptic engine. Both models also include 100% recycled tin in the solder of multiple printed circuit boards, and 100% recycled gold in the plating of multiple printed circuit boards and in the wire of all cameras. Fiber-based packaging does not use outer plastic wrap, bringing Apple closer to its goal of completely removing plastic from all packaging by 2025. Today, Apple is carbon neutral for global corporate operations, and by 2030, plans to be 100% carbon neutral across its entire manufacturing supply chain and all product life cycles. This means that every Apple device sold, from component manufacturing, assembly, transport, customer use, charging, all the way through recycling and material recovery, will have net zero climate impact. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, if you love our video, click the like button, give us a thumb up, subscribe, share and drop a comment on the video you like to see next.